Good morning, welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. Disclaimer, let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. Today is a window closing day. So please remember that because of Thursday is holiday for trading day. So today is a window closing day. And today's the data is showing very much two indications are in the bullish, but one indication showing evenly poised and one indication showing volatile, one volatile. So the evenly poised comes means that is an important day for us to specifically small and safe traders. Why? Because this kind of day, the small and safe traders must have to avoid trading except euro zero. Euro zero is fine trading. At the same time, today it is a window closing day, so must you need to cautiously trade today. Why? Because irrespective of the price options, 10 or 100 or even 300, whatever the price you are buying, all you have to treat it as a hero zero. Hero zero only you need to trade on these kind of days. Why? Because hero or zero. Why? Because Nifty has full freedom on this particular day to close. It might go extremely bullish. You can't expect the points at the same time. It might go extremely bearish. You can't expect or predict the downtrend points, uptrend points at the same time. It still ended up with flat finish. Uh, so all directions has the percentage chances 33.33% chances. Nobody can predict. It's a fluke trading day. So all directions have the percentage equally. Nifty has full freedom, because we have saw so many times on these kind of days. You must have to go with hero zero. For example, if you are buying call option or put option, even 5 points also normal 5 points option also went from 5 to 400, like that on this kind of day. 5 to 400 points it has still went. We have saw so many times like that. At the same time, even 400 points options irrespective of the call option or put option, 400 points option also went zero. So we have saw like that, which means, see, for example, it is in the call option side, 400 points. If it is zero, goes zero means that date has went extremely bearish, around 800 points or 600 points negative side. So that is how on this particular day it is not going to be easy. So you must have to trade only with hero zero. Whatever you are buying, keep it, remember, it is hero zero. So like that you have to trade on this particular day. There is no new positive side target opened. And as per the basic rules, we want to go anything above the volatile level 1, which is 1.94% above, or 18,469 above, which is in the bullish zone. And positive averages on the higher number around 3.10%, 561, 18,679. So positive side is having heavily, but still we need to watch out where the pre-opening is going to be. And anything below the volatile 2, which is in the bearish zone, which is 0.57%, 103 below, 18,221.57 below, still in the bearish zone. And negative average is not much bigger, 0.48%, 86.97, 18,031. And we have a pending target close to 18,000 range as well. So anything in between the volatile zone, around 351 to 103. But right now, SGX Nifty is still showing flat, which means Nifty is on the bearish control. And we have three bearish warning signal as well today. Three bearish warning signal, bearish warning. So, which means both sides you are having chances, because three bearish warning signal will try to go down to the market, but we have big positive average, which is 561. Nifty will try to go up. So which means it has potential to stay in the flat as well, because one try to pull down the market, one try to make the bullish in control, means it still has the potential to stay in the flat once again as well. So you must have to go at least with 10 points. 0 0 is advisable to take risks 1,000 rupees, because you are betting 500 points one side and 500 point I mean 500 rupees another side, put option call option together. If it is closed and stays in the flat, that means you're losing 1,000 rupees. But if you're lucky, one side is goes some 300 to 400 points. Yeah, irrespective of any side, we may not know because it has full freedom. But irrespective of any side, if it is go 400, 500 points bullish or bearish, one 510 points will go some 200 to 300 points. So which means you will end up with 10,000 to 15,000 chances if it is goes like that. So you need to play only like that. But we have still one pending target on the downside, which is almost close to 18. I mean, uh, around 18,000 mark. So one hero zero put option always keeping in hand is advisable. For example, 18,100 put option for 10 points to 20 points. So if you buying this 0 0 to 10 points, 20 points, which is 1,000 rupees maximum risk. If it is goes down Nifty 18,000, if it is closing and reaching that level, means you will this 10 to 20 will give you 100 points. So you will have some 7 to 8 times profit. So this is one kind of hero zero must have to take today. Whether it is failing, that is immaterial, but as per this day, this put option is advisable to take as one hero zero on the negative side. At the same time, on the call option side, any strike price, don't worry about the result. 5 points options in the C side, keep it, because you're going to risk only 250 rupees. Whether it is failing, don't worry about it, because 250 rupees you need to keep it today. Because for example, we may not know whether it is going to be bullish and close this 561. If it is happens like that, means this 5 rupees will go some 400 to 450 like that. So um, uh, the momentum we may not know at this point of time, but the data is showing the past records are closed 7.15% higher on this particular day, which is still potential 1,295. We may not know what kind of a good news are going to come or bad news are going to come. Still, it doesn't came as well, but we may not know the future exactly. But there is a day as potential. So you must have to keep small 5 points option in the call option side, irrespective of the success or failure. Keeping it in hand is advisable. And the par value rule, which shows anything below the par value pre-opening is indicating anything below 18,000 points. I mean, sorry, 832 points, which is showing Nifty will try to go down towards to 18,000, which is almost close to our pending target. So um, you must have to go 1 PE, as we told, 18,100 put option. On the other hand, anything below the 18,734 Nifty will always try to go down, but the points are very much in the positive side. Closing is possible like that it is showing, but still anything below Nifty will always try to go down like that it is showing. So the data is very much showing uh, the bearish, three bearish will try to control the negative side direction, but any lower side is matching. For example, after closing that 18,000 pending target which we are having, Nifty is matching, means anytime it will sharply recover from that low towards to any level. That is also potentially even 426 up to that level, because if lower is matching, means it will sharply recover from that level towards to pivot level. Because but still anything below the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go down. Anything above the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go up. But still, what I'm trying to point out is, if Nifty is closed down 18,000 range or 18,030 range, from that level, sharp recovery unexpectedly is possible. So play safe. So summary I would like to show you here. let's see how the market is going to give us today. Thank you.